In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on my Samsung phone. This process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll be printing like a pro. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure that both your printer and phone are ready for action. Make sure your printer is on. This is a crucial step. If the printer isn't on, nothing else will work. Once you confirm that, connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. This connection is essential because it allows your devices to communicate seamlessly. If your printer supports Bluetooth, you can turn that on as an alternative. Now let's dive into the settings on your Samsung phone. Open the Settings app, which is your hub for configuring your phone. From there, tap on Connections. This section manages how your phone connects to networks and other devices. Next, tap on More Connection Settings. Here you will find additional options that aren't part of the primary settings. Once you are in the More Connection Settings, tap on Printing. This is where you manage how your phone handles printing tasks. You will see an option for Default Print Service. Make sure it is turned on. This feature is important because it enables your phone to detect printers on the network automatically. With that ready, it's time to print a file. Open the file you want to print. This could be a photo from your gallery, a PDF, an email, or even a web page in Chrome. Once you have your file open, look for the three dots or the share icon. These icons give you more options for what you can do with your file. Tap on Print. This action will bring up the printing menu. Here you will need to select your printer from the list of available devices. If your printer is on the same Wi-Fi network and the default print service is enabled, it should appear here. After selecting your printer, take a moment to adjust the settings. You can choose how many copies you want, whether you want them in color or black and white, and the size of the print. These settings allow you to customize the output to suit your needs. Adjusting these options can save you time and resources later. Finally, tap Print. Once you do this, your printer will begin processing the job, and you should see a confirmation on your phone that the file is being printed. This step is the moment of truth, and a successful print confirms that everything is set up correctly. Remember, the key to smooth printing lies in ensuring that all devices are correctly connected and configured. A little patience while adjusting settings goes a long way in ensuring high-quality prints. With this knowledge, you can handle printing tasks confidently and efficiently. And there you have it. You've just learned how to print from your Samsung phone. This process is not only easy but also convenient, allowing you to print from anywhere in your home or office. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.